Hi guys, welcome to Show Me Snookie. I'm Snookie, I'm from the Show Me State, and I'm going to show you some garden projects. I think I've got about 3 that I can show you today. I've got a ladybug theme, a frog theme, and a cute little flower pot theme going on. So let's get started. First off, I want to tell you everything. Here is, of course, from Dollar Tree. You know me, Dollar Tree, have to. Okay, so I've got my wire that I picked up in the last haul I showed you, and I'm just going to snip off with my wire cutters some little pieces to have ready, because when you want it, you want it. You know, when you need it, you need it. So I'm just giving myself a couple. You know, when you wrap presents and you pull off some extra pieces of tape, it's kind of what I'm doing here. Just giving myself some little pieces of wire to use so I don't have to worry about pulling it off when I position my items, just so. We're going to make a cute little wall hanging that is a ladybug theme. We're also going to do a cute little wall hanging that is a frog theme. And we're going to be attaching our items to the trellis. And just so you guys know too, I have my glue gun plugged in here. So, yay. I do not think anybody is going to be strong enough to cut this. Let's just see. Wow. Yep, I did that. I am stronger than I thought I was, quite honestly. I'm still amazed. I think I just surprised myself is all. Wow. Okay, so this is glass, so be careful. This one is, whoo! All right. I feel really tough. So this little thing right here, we definitely want to keep this piece on there because that's how I'm going to attach my ladybug to my wall trellis. Yeah. See how that's going to line up anywhere on there that I need it to, but I just want to show you, yeah, we're going to need that. Okay, so I'm also going to trim this little welcome sign off of the frog, and I think I can manage to do that with just unhooking the sign, and because all I really want out of this is the blue sign. I'm just trying to slide him out there. There we go. So now this is the part I want, and I want to line it up. Can you see that very well? I just want to line it up right here. There. So as we're cutting things off and piecing things together, I'm just kind of placing things where I want them to go. I'm thinking I do like that there. I'm going to trim the stakes off my trellis. Whoa. Be careful, y'all. I don't want to poke anybody's eye out. Okay. So I want to get a little bit nicer and neater trims too. Not that it matters a whole lot, I guess, but while I'm at it, I might as well, right? So now it lays really straight. Cool. Like that a lot. So these are always save your scraps and don't ever like get rid of anything until the very end, because you never know what you might need when you're getting a little bit artsy. So, that's going to go there and that's going to go there. Now I'm going to trim this guy down to size real quick too. So there's that. This is so cute already. As I'm setting it on the trellis, I'm thinking to myself, oh my gosh, this is turning out so nice. There we go. Trim that one down there too. Perfect. I'm kind of watching my weight distribution here. If you are kind of wondering, what the heck are you doing? Well, I don't want, when I'm hanging my sign up, it to be lopsided or anything or giving it a hard time. So I'm just trying to keep that in mind, and you may think, oh, that's not going to be a problem. Well, I'm just being cautious about that. When I hang it on my deck, am I going to have that available? Oh, this thing is just so cute climbing up the wall like this. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so let's go over how much this costs to make this project for yourself, for your house. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the trellis is 6. Now, if you already had your wire, you're good there. Honestly, $6, and you've got your own little handmade wall art. So let's start piecing this all together. Where do I want to start? Let's start top first. Top first. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my welcome sign. Now I'm going to use these 2 little holes that are here at the bottom to twist tie down as well. So that's the start. Okay. Now, next item I want to do is the little flower. And I'm going to trim me off some more wire pieces for that, so that I just have a bunch handy. And I'm thinking I probably am going to anchor down in a lot more places, so I don't need as long as strips as I thought I did. So there's that so far. You know, honestly, if you wanted it to be done, it could be done right now. But we're going to continue on because I've still got more. The ladybugs. Little ladybugs. I'm going to cut myself some more wire pieces. Just take my idea and run with it. So I would say, let me look. I'm happy. I'm done. So this will be our first garden wall decor item for the deck. And we'll move on to our frog one.